Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Swapper's Educational Consult. Today in our class, we want to quickly look at multiplication of matrices. How do we multiply two matrices? Now, we have this question before us today to solve. We have matrix K and matrix P, and we have to find the product of these two matrices. Don't forget the first thing that should come to our mind anytime we are dealing with multiplication of matrices. The first thing before we even start anything at all is to test for the two matrices if they are multiplicable or they are not multiplicable. It is not every two matrices that are multiplicable. There are some matrices that are not multiplicable. You understand that? Let's test if these two matrices are multiplicable. The dimension of the matrices will tell us if they are multiplicable or they are not multiplicable. The dimension of matrix K is 1, 2, 3. That is 3 by 1, 2, 3. Another 3. While the next one is P. Matrix P is 1, 2, 3. 3 by another 1, 2, 3 by 3. You correlate the last number for the first matrix and the first number for the second matrix. You correlate them. If they are the same, that means we can go ahead and solve the question. The two matrices are multiplicable. If they are otherwise, that means they are not multiplicable. But as far as this question is concerned, they are multiplicable because we are having 3 here and 3 here. That shows they are multiplicable. The two matrices K and P are multiplicable. This is what determines that. Do you understand? Then what is the solution going to be? How will our solution look like? The dimension of our solution will be 3 by 3. This is what determines that. I mean, the answer we are going to get will be in the form of what? 3 by 3 matrix. And how does that look like? It looks like this. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Do you understand that? This is 3 by 3 that we are going to get. You first of all try to make a sketch of where you are going in order not to go astray. That is very important, especially when it comes to this kind of topic, multiplication of matrices. Now, the sketch we have made, the skeleton of the expected answer, we have already drawn it out. 3 by 3. What makes it to be 3 by 3? We all know. First row, second row, third row. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. You understand? So 1, 1 and 1, 2. Let me just quickly explain. The first number is talking about the first matrix, while the second number is talking about the second matrix. Take note. At the same time, the first number is talking about row, while the second number is talking about the column. So that simply means A11, the first matrix, matrix K, the first row of that matrix K, 2, 3, 1, is going to be used to multiply the first column of the second matrix, matrix P. The first column of the second matrix are here. Do you understand? First row of the first matrix multiplied by first column of the second matrix. That is what we mean by A11. Do you understand that? Okay. The first row, the first matrix multiplied by this. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. That is for the first one. The second one is 1, 2. That 1, 2 simply means the first matrix, the first row of the first matrix will be used to multiply the second column of the second matrix. That is 1, 2. This one multiplied by this. 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 plus 12 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2. that is minus 2, comma. Then you go on. 1, 3 simply means the first row of the first matrix, element along the first row of the first matrix will be used to multiply the element along the third row, the third column of the second matrix P. Third column of the second matrix P. Don't forget that. 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, plus 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0, plus 1 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 3. Are we getting that? Then we come to this side, A21. The second row of the first matrix, the element along the second row of the first matrix multiplied by the element along the first column of the second matrix. That's what we mean by A21. Okay, this one by this. 0 multiplied by 1, 0, plus 4 multiplied by 3, 12, plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is a plus 2, comma. A22 simply means the element along the second row of the first matrix multiplied by the element along the second column of the second matrix. That's what we mean by A22. Okay, this one on this. 0 multiplied by minus 2, 0, plus 4 multiplied by 4, 16, plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is plus 4, comma. A23, the element along the second row of the first matrix multiplied by the element along the third column of the second matrix. This on this. 0 multiplied by 4, 0, plus 4 multiplied by 0, 0, plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is 6. Are you getting it? We come to this side. A31 simply means the third row of the first matrix multiplied by the first column of the second matrix. That is A31. This one on top of this one. Minus 1 times 1, that is minus 1, plus 2 times 3, 6, plus 0 times minus 1, still 0, comma. We come to this one, A32. Element along the third row of the first matrix multiplied by the element along the second column of the second matrix. Third row, second. Minus 1 times minus 2 is 2, plus 2 times 4 is 8, plus 0 times minus 2, 0, comma. Then the last one is A33. Simply means the element along the third row of the first matrix multiplied by the element along the third column of the second matrix. This one, this one, this one, this one. You understand that? Minus 1 times 4, minus 4, plus 2 times 0, 0, plus 0 times 3 is still 0. Are we getting it? 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. Comma. Minus 4 plus 12 is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 0 plus 12 is still 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 0 plus 16 is still 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 2 plus 8 plus 0, that is 10. Minus 4 plus 0 plus 0, minus 4. This is the answer of multiplication of matrix K and P. Do you understand? Please watch the video again for a better understanding. Then you can just still share our page to other group. Give your comments and likes. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye for now.